Restock spare parts and manage maintenance inventory efficiently. Inventory replenishment begins in the maintenance module to ensure critical spare parts remain available for scheduled works. Restock Parts centralizes the procurement and internal transfer of essential maintenance components. The listing view provides a real-time overview of inbound and outbound stocks levels and storage locations across the enterprise. Inbound flow part name identifies the specific component requiring replenishment from the master inventory list. Primary location determines the specific warehouse or bin where the incoming stock will be stored. Restock quantity defines the exact number of units to be added to the current inventory balance. Comments allow for the inclusion of procurement references or specific handling instructions for the audit trail. Part price captures the unit cost to maintain accurate valuation of maintenance assets. Successful submission updates the inventory ledger and triggers an immediate visual confirmation of the restock event. Outbound flow part name selection for a secondary item initiates a subsequent stock adjustment for specialized air filters. Primary location assignment ensures the parts are directed to the correct regional maintenance hub. Restock quantity specifies the volume outbound to meet upcoming maintenance demands. Comments document the specific consumption site to provide granular tracking of part utilization. System validation confirms the transaction and refreshes the listing to reflect the new availability status. Viewing details provides a comprehensive summary of the transaction type, quantity, and associated financial data. This structured workflow ensures inventory precision, reduces maintenance downtime, and maintains complete financial accountability for all spare parts. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.